decorated dress of Chakan is one kind of Tajik people's embroidery chain-stitch seamstresses. As the matter of fact, Tajik dressmakers stitch this sort of female decorated dress on the white-colored silk with specific red, green, and yellow paints. The word Chakan is dated back to ancient centuries. At first, pictures of floral ornaments, different designs of flowers, leaves, sun, moon, and stars were engraved on wood, iron ore, leather, invaluable stones, and earthenware dishes since ancient days. Even you can meet the Chakan terms in the Slavonic language with the structure of chekanka and chekanit, which means to design the floral ornaments on wood and cloth. In the old days, the stitching of Chakan was used from karabos, the handicraft cotton cloth. During architectural research, the body of a 7-year-old girl was discovered from a grave in the southern part of Tajikistan, where she had on Chakan dress with pictures of Lifetree and branches in pair with 2 nightingales. In the 70 years of last century, Chakan ornaments consist of separated themes, including religious, with appearances of sacred Islam. The drawings of few pictures such as the sun, moon, stars, fire, animal, and mankind were prohibited in accordance with Islamic rules. However, the paintings of broken cross or swastika, fire, sun, and vegetations are noticed on Chakan making until today. These pictures lost their religious essences and turned into anonymous signs in the long run. The Chakan dressmakers strive to use different colors from embodying the freshness and beautiness of their location natures. Since ancient period, the fancy works, pillows, skull caps, covers of cradle, belts, and prayer mats are stitched with floral ornaments, usually in Tajikistan.
هر یک ملت، هر یک قوم، هر یک وطندارا صاحبی فرهنگ خود، صاحبی عرف و عادتهای خود.
Every nation, tribes, and patriots are possessors of own culture, customs, and traditions, and own heritage fashions. But happily, we Tajik nations have longitude historical background, which based from ancestors' bequests, blessed of mothers, happiness, win and loss of lifetime, Tajik artisans reflected these on the Chakan texture and maintained one still today.
Mukarrama Khayyumova is one of the noble and well-known designer for classic and fashion Tajik feminine decorated dresses, and also she is director of International Fund of the Handicraftsmen of Half-Laikat in Tajikistan. As well, she is a frequent prize winner of International Clothing and Adornment Fair of Euro-Asia Foundation of Central Asia, winner of Excellent Fashion Design Competition in the framework of UNESCO programs, and also over and over prize holder for Excellent Fashion Design around Urumqi Silk Road International Clothing and Adornment Exhibition 2008 in the People's Republic of China.
Whole Tajik feminine decorated dresses consist of special philosophical contents, beginning from Aryan times till up now. But fortunately, decorated dress of Chakan is well known with its specific philosophy amidst other feminine clothes.
The teacher Mukarrama Khayyumova is the author of more than 40 books regarding Tajik ancient signs and ornaments, particularly the catalog titled Signs, Symbols and Patterns of Farsi language-speaking people. This catalog contains as much as possible patterns, illustrations preserved from ancient times up to date.
Approaching of spring, running of life, meeting with happiness, well-being of nation was decorated on the Chakan, which gives evidence from eager love and friendship of Tajik people. Also, every symbol of Tajik fancy works and Chakan has their meanings, and these delineate from to be cultural and civilized of Tajik people.
Mukarrama Khayyumova, alongside with her sufferance and disturbance about creation new symbolic composition. Also, she works as the honorable teacher in the State Pedagogical University named after Sadruddin Aini. She teaches the students about Tajik ancient signs, symbols, and ornaments in order to maintain those from generation to generations. According to teacher Mukarrama, our former ancestors made their power effort to introduce the Tajik cultural values, but it's come our turn to make recognized Tajik invaluable history and civilization all over the world.
لباس عنعنوی تاجیک چکن است. از کلمه چاک گرفته شده است.
The traditional Tajik dress is chakan, so the word chakan comes from needling, and every Tajik family put on chakan, especially in the national festive arrangements. We use chakan on a kind of cloth called adras, and a similar one. I've been making chakan since early age. Chakan is composed of following parts: hem of a skirt, feminine trousers, and sleeves.
میخواهم دختران تاجیک بر همیشه در جشن‌های نوروز چکن به بر نمایند.
The painting signs and pictures in art's heritage of Tajik ancestors include large and different issues and can be divided into several classifications. But on the Tajik women that decorate the dress of Chakan, you can see both astrological pictures and natural ornaments, which it testifies the philosophical life of Tajik people. Hostiat Burea va JNN, Dushanbe, Tajikistan for the CNN Worldview.